One of the best ways to get viewers and keep viewers is to actually craft your content specifically for them. And today, Nick and I want to give you guys some tips and ideas of how to do that so they stay more engaged, you get more watch time, higher retention, more views, and your channel grows. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer. Welcome to Video Creators. We're all about helping you guys grow your YouTube audience, not just for views and money, but most importantly for reaching people and changing their lives. I know Nick is all about that too. You can learn a lot more from Nick over in his channel, where he teaches you how to grow your YouTube channel, make videos, and other types of YouTube related stuff. One of the things that a lot of creators get wrapped up in is like the tags and the metadata and like keyword research, and there's nothing inherently wrong with any of those things, but ultimately, like, what's the thing that's best? Like, where should we be focusing most of our attention?
People. Focus the attention on the people that are actually watching your content. We all want, people to see our stuff. So it's really easy for us to get focused on or distracted by, I should say, making sure that everything's like, oh, I'm going for this specific keyword and things like that, which, that has value, but it's also important to keep in mind that, it's people that are watching your videos. It's not algorithms that are watching your videos. So because of that, it's really important that you make it easy for people to watch your content and easy for people to find your content. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna talk about some of the things that you can do to make it easy for people to consume the stuff that you have. And the first thing that is really important is making it clear and easy to understand what it is that you're actually offering. So for example, a lot of people, if you go to their channel page, they won't have anything that has any relation to what it is that they're doing. It'll just be a photo, some random photo as their channel art, instead of saying, hey, this is what it is that I offer on my channel. Of course, you can grow like that and it's not gonna, destroy your channel, but the easier that you can make it for people to understand that they're in the right place, it's gonna be beneficial for you. One thing that you can do is you can take your value proposition and you can put that in your channel art, or you can just say in a few words, this is what I offer on the channel.
The value proposition is exactly what you should be thinking about. There's 3 ways to think about this to help you guys define like what is the value you're offering through your channel. Number 1, what job is your audience trying to get done? Let's use Nick as an example. What job does your audience want to get done?
They want to grow their channels.
Number 2, what pains do they experience that maybe your channel is helping them solve? What's their pain?
Getting views, getting subscribers. What tools do I use in order to actually do all this?
And then number 3, what gains are they trying to accomplish in your life that maybe your channel can help them gain? What do you do to help them gain in that area?
I show them how to do all of that so that they can basically serve those purposes.
He knows. See, that. Like, can you guys answer those 3 just like that? I didn't even prompt it though. He just did that right off the top of his head. It needs to be so clear and focused. If you don't know why someone should subscribe and how to pitch what they're gonna get, and they're gonna have to do a lot of homework, try to figure it out for themselves, and then people start subscribing for different reasons, and then you've got some people who want this, some people who want that, and then it's just hard to keep momentum going long term.
Another thing too is when you're putting all that stuff together, it's important that you even focus the language that you're using and everything on the people that are watching your videos.
People are ultimately consumers. Even you are watching this video right now because you want to learn something from us. So even if it's an entertainment channel, what are people consuming from you? Is it an escape? Is it a perceived relationship? Is it being part of a community? All those big niches on YouTube are also delivering a value that someone wants to consume, otherwise they wouldn't watch. Knowing what that is, that value proposition, super important.
It really is. Once they understand what your channel is about, it's important that you make it easy for people to find your content. Here's the thing, like some people will land on your channel page and some people prefer to just go directly to the videos page and see all the videos that you have. Other people prefer to go to your playlist page. Hey, what playlist do they have? Other people prefer to just scroll down your channel page. So what you have to do is you have to say, how am I gonna make it easy for people to experience my YouTube channel without them having to put much thought into it, and to make sure that I can nail each person regardless of how it is that they choose to use the platform. When you're putting your content together, think of, okay, how can I make blocks of content that I can offer on my channel page or in different playlists that I can link to in videos and things like that. So when somebody comes to my channel, the specific things that they're interested in on my channel, they can find those specific playlists and those specific pieces of content that they're the most interested in, so that they can watch more of your content and have a better experience on your YouTube channel.
So on my channel, I know that most people find me because they're searching for how to do something on YouTube. So my very first section is recent how-to videos, and it's automated playlists of just anything that's tagged with how to. I know people also want to know, like, how do I grow my channel in search? So I have that as a playlist. I know people want to know, how do I get 1 million subscribers? So that's a playlist. I know people want to know, like, how do I make money off of this? So that's a playlist. Like, all those things are there, not necessarily because I think they're going to spend like 16 hours watching the thousands of videos, but because like they're like, I see, okay, yeah, like this looks like something I want. I'll subscribe and get what comes next.
Yeah, and that's an important part of it, you know, because you're showing that value, you know, you're showing past value, and then you're basically creating that history that kind of teases future value as well, which can also help you, you know, increase the amount of people that are subscribing to your channel, because you're basically structuring everything based around the interest sets of the people that are coming in to watch your content. But at the end of the day, like, what you really want to focus on is you want to think about the people that are watching your content. You want to think about how you can make it easy for them to find your content and easy for them to enjoy your content. So just think about the people that are watching your content over everything else, because the more that you focus on the people, the better that you're going to do.
One of the things we say here at Video Creators is optimize for people, not robots, right? So the algorithm is designed to follow the people. Whatever people respond well to, that's what gets surfaced. And if you want to learn more about how to do that, you can check out Nick's channel. There's a link to it down below. You can click the icon you see on your screen right now to go learn more about growing your YouTube channel from Nick. And if having your videos become more discoverable is important to you, you can click the playlist you see on your screen right now. It'll go into a lot more detail about how to actually make that happen. So click those videos, and I'll see you guys over in the next one.